So welcome back to day 2 of our submucosal endoscopy course. We are here with the same people who joined us yesterday, minus Dr. Bollenberger, who has not quite made it here yet, but will join us later on today. So to recap what we did yesterday we talked through the techniques of Zenker-Poem, we talked through the techniques of G-Poem, we talked through the technique of making a submucosal tunnel and using submucosal approach to provide an oncologic resection in endoscopic submucosal dissection. And today our plan is to focus a little bit backwards maybe on the technique of where it started in the esophagus, so esophageal poem. We will talk about a curriculum which we developed in-house for how to train in esophageal poem, an assessment tool that we developed called the PPAT, which is the Precision Poem Assessment Tool, and we will talk a little bit about how to deal with adverse events. Here is Linda Bells, who's a second-year fellow in endoscopy working here with me. She's put a lot of effort into the presentations of yesterday in particular, and I want to thank her for that. You also have a little bit more to my right now, sitting just behind Lynn on the screen, Xander Smits, who's a first-year fellow here who has compiled the together with Maria Ava, the lectures and presentations for today.
So from yesterday, the main things we're seeing new techniques, new equipment, and also problem solving. A number of the cases were redo yesterday. Just the thought processes involved in overcoming the difficulties that were identified. Today, really to see esophageal poem done, watch the tunneling technique, learn a little bit more about that, and a little bit.
So this is the sort of thing that we would grade the tunneling on, the sort of things that we want to bring out when you're doing tunneling, so that you use the knife to sequentially inject and dissect, that you keep on the muscle, and that because of course you want to keep on the muscle to not injure the mucosa.